Welcome back to the Thomas Miata YouTube channel. Today we're just going to be exploring Frank's motor, making a decision on what we're going to do with it, pulling the cam, going from there. Might learn a little bit about LS motors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. Leave a comment down below. And sharing is caring. Press that notification bell if you want more. We got Justin in the background. Looks good, homie.
Hello.
Let me flip the screen around so you can see yourself.
Oh, I look good.
You like that? Isn't that nice? Look at that fisheye lens. Jake said don't do the fisheye lens. What do you think? I'm going to take it off. What do you think? Let me know. Okay.
Yeah, definitely do the fisheye lens.
Okay, so without it?
Whoa.
With it. Look at it, how much more you see in the garage.
Yeah, kind of like the fisheye thing.
I went and bought a camera that you couldn't put lenses on and then rigged a way to put lenses on it. Tell us about it, dog. What's up?
It's a 99 328, and it's not going to be much of that after I'm done. Probably do 6.0, a Pro-Am ready car. Nice. As close to FD ready as possible. Full cage, 4 seats.
Oh shit, it's gonna be a drift lift.
So we can take 6 people on ride-alongs.
We're gonna have a drift lift team.
488 rear end, which I'm fabbing up right now. SLR most likely. All the normal drifty stuff.
Navigate this thing over.
Yeah, once we get it in place, we'll start. We're gonna look at the bearings. That'll be the next step. I don't need to film until then, I don't think, unless we got some funny jokes. You got any funny jokes? Tell me a joke. Knock, knock. Frank's there.
Yeah, that's the joke.
That's it, joke over.
Not no more.
I want to see the bottom of this oil pan.
Do you have an oil pan gasket?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Nothing crazy down there?
Adjusting.
It's Frank. Man, you got a stock push rod in that bitch. They'll just bend like that.
Yeah, can you see that?
I think you can.
My shelves are back there. You can see I'm
Move
lining
your
up my
face.
shelves.
It's facial recognition.
It's bad.
locking
Tommy
on your
ruined it,
eyes.
everyone. Sorry. If you didn't see it, it's his fault.
Yeah.
We're about to flip the engine over because we have the hydraulic lifters are still in there. So what happens if you pull the cam out right now, the hydraulic lifters are going to fall, and we don't want them to fall down because there's no reason for that. So we'll flip the engine. That way they stay up. Basically pull the cam out. We do have to get...
Bro, what in the hell was that giant burp and mark on your forehead?
Yeah, mark on the forehead.
Yeah, shame it's going to make the video.
Start
All
pulling
right,
the cam
stop
out.
talking, more flipping.
So they're in. They're good. You don't have to worry about that.
Oh,
Sorry,
you
I was moving
son
the
of
belt
a bitch. Be able to get a good spin on that thing.
Oh, so you're saying use the longer ones?
Yes, it's easier to spin if you use the longer bolts.
Dude,
What?
you're supposed to turn it first.
I just spun it all the way around like 7 times before I pulled it.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yes.
Sorry.
It's okay. They literally can't. They can't fall down.
They can't
They can
fall
only
down,
fall
they
down into the right spot. Definitely some cam wear. Oh yeah. So you should have sold this thing, huh? What do you think, Justin? Justin agrees. 6.0 or bust.
Aluminum block or iron block?
It's true.
Sure, a Fiesta.
Fancy beer fingers crossed. What do you not understand?
There's the cam. Frank is sending it. This is the exact same cam that I run in my engine. We called Texas Speed and we told them what we were doing, and then they gave the cam. And then Frank said, I have a different motor. I want that cam too. Oh, get the stroking. Got a slob on the knob like corn on the cob. You best stroke it. Oh, look at it stringing and shit. Oh, that's nice.
That guy was eating a lot of pineapples.
It could very well be. Oh, there it goes. He got it. It's in there, folks. Oh, look at that horse semen lube on there. It's nice. Justin, what do the people need to do when the video ends?
Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Ding.
And
And
the most important one.
Oh. Sharing is caring.
There it is. And boss.
Caring.
Sharon's caring and boss is in the background looking all cute.